Good day, everyone. Today, we will discuss the settings of social work. Social work is a profession that helps individuals, families, groups, and communities cope with challenges in their well-being. Social workers provide support, guidance, and access to services. Their goal is to promote well-being and social justice.
In school settings, social workers support students facing academic, emotional, or family problems. They provide counseling and create programs that prevent students from dropping out. They help students feel safe, heard, and supported.
In healthcare settings, social workers assist patients and their families. They help with medical assistance, discharge planning, and emotional support during difficult times. They offer hope and guidance. Community settings. In government agencies, social workers implement programs and services for people in need. They respond to disaster, poverty, and social problems. In communities, they empower people to improve their lives.
Social workers here help implement policies and programs that support families and individuals. Agencies like the Department of Social Welfare Act and Development, providing services such as financial aid, counseling, disaster relief, and community development to improve people's lives.
Rehabilitational and correctional setting. Social workers help individuals with substance abuse issues or those in conflict with law to change and integrate with society.
NGO setting. Social workers in a non-governmental organization or NGO help communities, groups, or individuals with specific